So all morning long, we've been dealing with that dense fog advisory. That's now gone.
Yep, expired early.
But now we have a severe weather watch.
Replaced with a severe thunderstorm watch. So if it's not one issue, it's the other, both for the same area, central South Jersey. So let's break it down. Let's show you the maps. But first, we'll show you outside, where it's still hard to see much in the city. It is hazy, but that dense fog that was hugging the ground now sitting just above it. So hopefully you can see better on the surface, where you're still going to be dealing with some low cloud cover and patchy fog. 2.5 miles of visibility in White Plains, just a half mile in Bridgeport, improving in the park at 5 miles, 8 for Islip, and it looks like Jersey's looking much better. But now our attention turns to that severe thunderstorm watch. This is from Warren County, Hunterdon, Somerset, Middlesex, South. So that also includes Ocean County as well as Monmouth County. And this is from now until 5 p.m. That orange box popping in, that is a severe thunderstorm warning. Now, technically, this is just outside our viewing area, but I think it's important to see because that is the line that's headed toward us. This particular severe thunderstorm warning goes until 11:30 because of radar indicated large hail that was up to a quarter size, as well as gusts at about 60 miles per hour. So that is blustery. Also, you can see the prolific lightning and the heavy rain. These are the storms that are starting to inch into our area. So Pike County now picking up heavy rain. The rain is still light in Sussex, but that heavy stuff is not far off. And you see Warren County starting to see the heavier rain as well. The factors here that we're watching is we have this warm front lifting north. So that's surging in a lot of warm air, which can really help to fire up these storms and make them stronger. So as these storms develop today, we are looking at that severe threat. The SPC giving a level 2 risk for South Jersey, where those are the areas right now that are under the watch. But any thunderstorm that develops today could produce heavy rain, gusty wind, and hail. As we move into tomorrow, that severe threat does linger with a lot of our area under that level 2 risk. Once again, we're looking at the potential for heavy rain, potentially damaging wind gusts and large hail. It's not a washout. It's not everyone seeing this, but the storms that do develop really can pack a punch. So let's time it out. That batch that we're watching right now pushes into central and South Jersey as we move into the next couple of hours. In general, we do expect weakening, but as they're starting to push in right now, staying strong. So can't guarantee that they're going to be weak enough to not need that warning as they move toward us. We'll be watching it over the next couple of hours. So especially for central and South Jersey, it'll be a little soggy in the next few hours, stormy as well with gusty wind and hail. Then we'll get a lull where the clouds will try to break a little bit this afternoon. Can't eliminate the possibility of a spot shower or storm, but it looks like for the bulk of the late afternoon, early evening hours, it's mostly quiet. Then we'll get another round moving through late tonight. Looks like we start Saturday morning with a batch of showers and spotty thunderstorms. Fog again tomorrow as well. A lull in the afternoon with another chance again tomorrow night. Just like today, the storms that do develop have the potential to pack a punch. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has given us that heads up, the level 1, level 2 risk for severe weather. So no, it's not a washout today or tomorrow, but do know that what does develop has the potential to be strong as it moves through with the heavy rain, the gusty wind, and the hail. Today, we're seeing that round as we speak, move into central and South Jersey. From the city north, it's just a few hit or miss storms today. Our highs end up in the low 70s. Then tonight, that patchy fog and low cloud cover redevelops with a stray shower or storm. Looks like we start with a round of it Saturday morning, but check out that high tomorrow. Upper 70s, low 80s. And again, with that kind of warmth, it can mean some of these storms get a little spicy and strong. So please keep that in mind. Scattered storms again tomorrow possible, and then we finally get a break on Sunday. We'll get a refreshing breeze. Humidity will lower a little bit, and then it looks better as we start next week.
All right. Doug